Good afternoon, everyone. I am going to present my paper on finite element analysis of rigid plane frame and its application in building structures. Contents as follows: introduction, concepts of finite element method, seismic analysis, then conclusion. First of all, introduction.
So
Analysis of
within
any
5 minutes
structure
we
deal.
complete.
Okay, sir. Analysis of any
Yes.
structure deals in following ways. First of all, we have real structure. Then we convert it into conceptual model. Then for numerical problem, we have a mathematical model. Then for solution, we go for numerical model. And structure analysis problems has two approaches: analytical, first one, and second is numerical. For complex structures, complex boundary condition, complex loading condition, we have approximate but acceptable solution. Finite element method is such a technique. In this paper, we have performed seismic analysis on a regular RC building frame of height 14.05 meter and seismic zone 4 by finite element method, developing a code in MATLAB, and results are validated by StatPro software. Now, concepts of finite element method. As we know, finite element method is a computational technique. In finite element method, analysis of whole structures is not performed in a single operation, but it is done for individual element, then combine them to obtain the solution for the whole structure. Now, local and global axis conversion. We have a local axis, then we convert it into global axis for finding stiffness matrix as a global level. Now, formulation of a stiffness matrix. It is based on three concepts: equilibrium condition, constitutive matrix, and strain deformation relationship. After that, we find stiffness matrix, KL, which is given by KL equals to integral over volume B transpose D matrix dV, where B equals to a strain deformation matrix, D equals to a stress-strain relationship. Now, for axially loaded member, stiffness matrix is given as follows. For a beam element, stiffness matrix is given. And after combining beam and truss element, we get a frame element, and which stiffness matrix is of size 6 by 6. For global stiffness matrix of a flame element, we have the following formula: K global equals to R transpose K dash matrix R matrix, where R is given as and K dash is given. After that, imposing of boundary condition. Boundary condition is imposed in two ways: elimination approach or penalty approach. In elimination approach, in a stiffness matrix, we we replace the row or column uh, by some matrices, and then we get the deformation. After that, we have a UDL. Then we have to transfer that uniformly distributed load on nodal load by work equivalence method, where we help shape function. Shape function relates the field variable at any point within the element to the field variable of nodes. Now, seismic analysis is performed in following ways. In this study, we have performed equivalent static analysis and response spectrum method. Further more study, we can go for other cases. We have a building plan, which is shown. Here we only considered frame 1, the transverse direction. Analysis data is the following. Now come to results. We see base shear from equivalent static analysis coming as 125 kilonewton, and by maximum absolute response 181.082 by a square root sum of squares and complete quadratic combination. After that, lateral load distribution is given as per ABS method, whose base shear is maximum. And member forces are calculated using software MATLAB, and results are validated by StatPro. Results are coming close agreement. And here column 1, for column 1 and for beam number 28, we have shown. Now lateral displacement of building frames is given as in the figure. As we go up, the displacement increases. Now come to conclusion. A finite element code has been developed in MATLAB to analyze the rigid joint plane frames. From the above study and results, it has been found that finite element element method is very useful in the analysis of frame structures. The developed coding can be extended to analyze the full 3D building frame such as stand commercials as a black box which directly keeps the result with a step-by-step development of finite element code. For analyzing a rigid joint plane frame, we can analyze building frame very easily, and results are also verified with the result we get from StatPro. Thank you.
Sir, do you have any question?
Nothing, sir. She has attempted a good thing using finite element method. Only thing is compatibility conditions. For what compatibility conditions you have checked the thing?
Okay, sir.
Sir, I
Pardon,
have a
sir?
question. Can
What
I
are the different compatibility? Definitely.
with your permission, can I ask a question?
Okay, sir.
100%, sir. 100%. You can ask.
Sir, we'll start next. Okay, let's proceed with the next paper. That is ANL 14. Non-linear static pushover analysis of RC frame using ETABS.
Yes, I am presenting.
Okay. Start your presentation.